In this video, we're going to cover the shared memory node. We're going to demonstrate using the shared memory to pass a value between two different scenes. So I'm going to start by opening up my shared memory front scene that I have here. And as you can see, it's a very simple scene with a label and another text called output. And I want to update this value from a shared memory key. So I'm going to go ahead and open the ezLink editor. I'm going to grab my output container and grab the text property. And I'm going to get the shared memory node, which can be found under the data category. So in the shared memory node, I need to provide the key of the shared memory value. So I'm going to call this my value. And I also need to change the type because we're passing between scenes. It cannot be a scene shared memory. It has to be the system shared memory. And the value I'm going to attach to the text property of my output container. So now I can go ahead and save this scene and close it. And now I'm going to open up my shared memory middle scene. And here we have an input container, and whatever I change in this text input, I want to update in the front scene as well. So again, I'm going to open up the ezLink editor. I'm going to grab my container and grab the text property again, and just as like we did before, grab the shared memory node and drop it into my stage. In the key, I'm going to give it the same key as I did in the previous scene. Which was my value. Over here again, I'm going to change the type to be system, and the value is now going to be the input of my text container. So I can go ahead and close this. To show you how this works, I'm going to grab my foreground scene into the front layer. And now when I update the value here, you can see that it's being updated in the foreground scene.